structural damage has been reported in several parts of Pretoria, while trees have been uprooted due to strong winds. Parts of the capital have also reportedly been left without power. The damaging winds were felt in parts of Gauteng, moving towards Mpumalanga last night. It also said to have caused destruction in Brits and Rustenburg. The SA Weather Service has issued a level 2 alert for localized damage, especially in townships.
We did experience a strong winds that was passing due to the passage of the thunderstorm just ahead of the thunderstorm that was coming from the side of the Rustenburg. At this stage, the active thunderstorms, they are moving to the side of the Mpumalanga province. So South African Weather Service, we did issue the level 2 of the strong damaging winds to property in parts of the Gauteng province. That will include the northern part of Tshwane Metro.
All right, let's bring in Tshwane Emergency Services spokesperson Charles Mabaso, who joins us live for an update this morning. Charles, it's great to talk to you. What can you tell us about the effects of this weather?
Yes, good morning. Indeed, last night at around 2200 hours, various parts of Tshwane experienced heavy windstorms, which uprooted a number of trees in areas like Valala, and the multiple power outages that were also followed by a number of fire incidents that were reported in various parts of the city, as well as some houses and shacks that also had their roof blown off in the northern parts of Tshwane, Block KK to be specific, as well as Block H, Block KK and Block HH in Soshanguve, where also a house was blown off. And then also towards the east, we also had multiple shack fires in the settlement known as the Daniel Grief informal settlement.
Sure. Charles, it sounds like emergency services had their hands full last night. Were there any injuries?
Definitely, emergency services had their hands full. Fortunately, there were no injuries or any deaths reported regarding the incidents that were reported to us. But disaster management has been activated to conduct a full assessment of the damage in various parts where the incidents were reported.
So as of this morning, Charles, the weather appears to have subsided, at least in parts of Johannesburg. Can you say the same in Tshwane this morning?
Yes, the weather has subsided also in parts of Tshwane, but we are aware so that since yesterday, the South African Weather Services had forecast thunderstorms with isolated showers, even for today. What we had not anticipated is that the thunderstorms would carry, the winds that we experience now. But we were aware that we would be experiencing, the first spring rains as of yesterday and as of today, where 30% of possible rain with thunder showers was forecast from yesterday, including today. So we will also then remain on high alert going into this evening and throughout the day.
Charles Mabaso, Tshwane Emergency Services spokesperson, thanks so much for your time this morning.